What to choose, I don't know what to choose. At least I don't like dark meat, so guess what? I'm not gonna be shy. I need a wing, not eat half a chicken. I need a wing. So a wing from the jerk barbecue, a wing from the Cajun spice. Come over here so now. Leg from here. Half of a thigh. So put everything over this side. Alright, the thigh from here. So wing, leg, thigh. So a piece of the jerk breast. Yeah. And what else from the jerk side? Oh, come on, come on. There ain't nothing for a morning. This won't hurt nobody. This won't hurt nobody. This is it. This is what we're eating. So that's from that. That's from here. All right. Woo.
They know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So right now this is basically half of a chicken. See? Let me see what I go on. Which one am I taste first? Comment which one am I taste first. Mouth or run water. Oh my days. I'm gonna go with the jerk barbecue first. No, I know how jerk barbecue tastes. I'm gonna go with the Cajun first. But I know Cajun. Cajun. Water. Yo. Why play so? What I want to say? I'm not here to exaggerate, but I tell myself, so this is something I want to do on my channel for the longest. Just eat the food and tell you what it tastes like. Honest opinion. Not because I make cookie. Like if you watch that video, you see we are marinated this to the T. Unlike the regular rotisserie chicken you buy in the store, they sprinkle salt and pepper. No. This here is not it. The only thing I'd say right now for this Cajun one is to add a bit more spice, because the Cajun is not that spicy. A lot of people may find Cajun spicy, not me. So right now, I'm going to come back, I'm going to get some pepper and put it on the board. We're back now. Just a little bit of that spice in here for taste what I go on now. And you may be saying, but you have jerk barbecue, it is very mild. Jerk barbecue is very mild, so I need some spice. Alright. Here I go on. Meal prep for the week. I have 3 more whole chicken in the freezer, and this is what I want to do. Use up the grill before the summer done. Even when summer done, I'm going to be using this grill. Just get a chicken. And the beautiful thing about this, if you watch the video, you see how the color on the Cajun is nice and pretty. This was all done in the oven. You see me? This one was done on my grill. So the comparison, if you check out the two, they're similar. 1.5 hours, both in the oven and the grill. Check out the full video, please. I'll link it right here. Check out the full video. And you know, you chew a bone? I know. As a child growing up, I have to chew my bone till the ash out. Look at that. Bone marrow. Listen, I'm just living childhood memories right now. The bone. This is how I shred my bone. Mukbang, I say I eat disgusting, but seriously. Alright, listen. Can't waste the time on bone. Alright, this is the jerk one now. But this is the neck. You know the jerk man at Jamaica? Chicken neck. Yeah. Oh, I shouldn't dip in. I don't eat it. I should taste it without the spice first. That's it. I don't want ready food. Don't try your food with spice first. Taste and see the flavor we have, then you can adjust accordingly. So the jerk one. I'm not a big fan of chicken breast, but I'm going to taste out the breast part. Alright. A chicken breast up on the jerk. Could cook a little bit less. To be honest, the chicken breast. That was done on the grill. See? Or probably that's because I don't like breast. But yeah. So I definitely go around 1 hour 20 minutes on the grill. Yeah. Our skin is nice. Flavorful. This is my dinner. What time? After 12. I've been roasting this since after 10. Spice. Nice part. Little pepper. That little bun part are nice, you know. Hey, jerk barbecue have a vibes. You know when everything's gonna be nicer? When I put the chicken down. I made a rotisserie chicken, the same CAJUN one, and had it in the fridge for about 3 days. At least I warm up the last of it today. And I'm telling you, when I smell it, I'm like, yo, where that smell there come from? She said, yo, man, I warm up the rotisserie chicken. Man, I said, damn, that smells good. Like a tail part. The jerk barbecue, a bad man. You realize that jerk barbecue I'm stuck on? It's the Caribbean in me. Look at this. Look at this juicy little. Oh my God. This juicy. I probably biased because I love dark meat. I just buy piece of little char edge. Oh my days. Come on. Bring a chair, bring a chair. This one?
No, not that one. This is the one beside it. Like what looks like a T. That one.
This?
The line.
Nah, man, this a bone, man. That's mine, that's bone. Here. What if I chicken upon this? Take that one.
I don't want it. That's this and that.
Nah, take one first. Take a shot of one. That's pepper, you know. You want pepper?
That was a close one. That was a close one. I almost came to pepper.
Yo, your mouth with a bun up. Alright, back over to this one. Back over to the oven.
Daddy,
CAJUN.
why do you always want to burn up your mouth with the pepper?
I love pepper, bro.
That's why you want to burn up your mouth?
No, but no. When the food is spicy, just, I don't know, just give me a vibe. You should have bring your own hand towel, you know. I can't share. Yo, what I go and feed? Hello. Talk to me now. Where come now with you?
I heard you.
So you cannot answer. What happened? You like how chicken taste?
Huh?
How does it taste?
I think it's good.
So say that. Huh?
It very tastes good.
Very tastes good.
Yeah,
How?
100 mil. This is how good it is.
How?
Very, 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 very good.
Wow. Were you keeping count? I wasn't. Wipe on your hand.
This is doo-doo, right?
No, what kind of doodle? What kind of nothing is that? It's not doodle, man. It's marination. What part on it?
It looks like doo-doo.
Where?
At the bomba sitting.
That is damn nice. The skin?
Oh, it's ugly skin.
Look for the nice skin, them boys. So look at doodle. Rank. I'm just saying, you just waste the best part of the chicken. The skin. What happened? Don't touch your hand. Don't touch yourself down.
That looks so nasty.
Where?
At the bottom.
It's seasoning, bro.
No, crack it off. Crack the holes enough.
Yo, this guy's so weird. This is the seasoning in the belly of the... Here. Let me take off of it. There. Here.
Thanks.
You're welcome, sir.
Is this the bone?
No. Yeah, that's the bone. So don't bite it. This is what he's saying is nasty. The bone, because all of the seasoning them soaking at the bone from inside of the belly, he's saying it's nasty. This is a weird little eater. How that one taste? Hmm? Oh man. How it tastes?
Hmm?
How does it taste?
Yeah, I already heard. You already heard. What do you wanna hear it again? Okay, I can tell you again.
Mm.
It's very, 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 very,
One eternity later.
very, very,
Alright, you get it.
Just fast forward that part.
Alright. Mm. What happened, sir?
Again, they're always good.
Honestly, CAJUN hit the spot. Very juicy. Juices around them for my hand. Put it over there. Don't put it on my pepper. What kind of sitting this side to me, man? You know, say disrespectful. I have something. When you really sit down and ask me eat half a chicken. My God. Last piece of wing from the jerk side, jerk barbecue. You could boy I call nasty. All of them make up seasoning, you know. Hey, jerk barbecue have a vibe, you know. You see that little part up on the tip of the wing where look like you want burn, the top of char burn. Look at that. Seriously, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You hear that? That's the grizzle. Need some more paper towel. Oh God. Okay, I feel full now. The hot dragon was to hit the spot. 7.5% alcohol. Chicken and beer. Oh God. My battery just died. Or my memory card full up. Been recording all day. But yeah, I don't know how the mukbangers do it, man. Half a chicken and a dragon, that's it for me. Jamie helped me out with peace. Thank you. I'm squeezing big belly. Big up on yourself, my people. Thank you very much for watching. More videos are coming. I'm full. What you have to say? You full?
Yep.
Because you had some oatmeal porridge a while ago. Plus you can't eat chicken.
Let me say the bye.
Do you want to say the bye?
Yeah.
Alright, tell the people them go on. Look on the camera. See the camera there. Listen, look on the camera. So once again, the people, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel for the gravel.
And go out big up on ourselves.
It gets me every time because it's just so weird when I hear my try chatty patois. Man, you not try, man, do it actually, big up yourself. Thank you for being in my video, but just watching cartoon. Bye, bro. Backside. You see that? You almost, me say big up yourself and you almost broke up yourself. Poor man.
But the picture broke up itself.
Yeah, can I make a picture drop my own?